It's really a honor to have her today as the chief guest for our annual day. Thank you for your inspiring words, ma'am. You have truly enriched us. Thank you, ma'am. நீங்கள் குழந்தைய வயிற்றுலேருந்து எடுத்து வச்சுருப்பீங்க. நீங்கள் எடுத்த குழந்தை இப்போ டான்ஸ் ஆடுது, பாட்டு பாடுதுங்க மேம். ஸோ இது உங்களுக்கு ஒரு புது எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸாக இருக்கும் எங்கள் ஸ்கூலுக்கு வந்ததில். ரொம்ப நன்றி. உங்களுக்காக அங்கே 4+4 8 உயிர் காத்துட்ருக்கு. அப்படி இருக்கும்போதும் எங்களோட அழைப்பை ஏற்று இந்த பிஸி ஷெட்யூலில் உங்களை நிறைய பேர்த்துக்கு அவங்களோட பேஷண்ட்டாக இருந்தால் தெரியும், மேடமை பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னா 2 hours 2.5 hours வெயிட் பண்ணணும் குமரன் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் போனாவே. ஸோ அவ்வளோ பிஸியாக இருக்கக்கூடிய மேம் எங்களுக்காகவும் எங்கள் குழந்தைங்களுக்காகவும் இங்கே வந்து உங்களுடைய வேல்யூபிள் டைமை எங்களுக்காக ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணினதுக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் மேம். Our annual function is not only celebration of talent but also stepping stone of their success. Now we call our children to get their graduation certificates for their stepping stone of success. Now I would like to call our correspondent sir and honorable chief guest and a special guest Mrs. Satyabama Velamani to distribute the certificates. Please come on the stage. D. Karunya Sri. She's a confident girl. She's very interested in co-curricular activity. She do have work in independently. He is an active boy. He is interested in singing and dancing. Jeetvika is a clever student and trustworthy person. She is a helping-minded girl. She have a good managing skill. Congratulations, Jeetvika. Shivamani Gandan. Shivamani Gandan is a calm boy. He's very clever and talented boy. See Sanvika Sri. She's a very calm and clever girl. She's very caring and responding child. Sanvika, inga paru, smile. Satvika Sri complete her work properly. She have good health conscious and she does every moment perfectly. Sathvi, look here. Sathvi, inga paru. Satvika. Satvika, inga paruda. Camera uncle paru. Smile. M. Agatya. Agatya is one of the patient girl. She have a very good grasping skill. She is very attentive in the class time. Tananya is a patient student and her natural curiosity led her to ask more questions. She's a caring person. Congratulations, Tananya. Dear parents, please clap for the children. Tanvi is a kindness little girl. She have always been a creative person and enjoy making things. Congratulations, Tanvi. Tanvi, look here and smile. Super, Tanvi. Very good. Thank you. Ahan. Ahan is an active boy and he have a good sense of humor. He has good memory power and observation skill. Congratulations, Ahan. Thank you again. S.K. Kaushik. Kaushik loves caring, coloring and playing. He interested in listening music. He doing his work independently. Congratulations, Kaushik. Smile. Super. Thank you. Nagulan Sarvanakumar. Nagulan Sarvanakumar is a helping minded boy. He take a responsibility to do his work. His speaking is in respectful and his acting is in truthful. Congratulations, Nagulan. Smile. Look the photographer. Yes. Thank you, Nagulan. Super. G.V. Tanvarshan. He's a patient and forbearance little one. He's a good creative worker. He's a very calm boy, but also a very clever boy. Congratulations, Tanvarshan. Tanvarshan, look, super. Congratulations, Tanvarshan. Maghil Mitran. Maghil Mitran is very active boy. He easily adaptable to everyone and he loves to play with naughty boys. Congratulations, Maghil. Very cute smile. Thank you, Maghil Mitran. Nursery. Euro nursery children. Adya Mohan. She approached the new things with enthusiastic manner. Brimming ideas and determination make her to get success. She have a good memory power. Congratulations, Adya Mohan. V. Arudra. She has an ability to distinguish between right and wrong things. She's a very compassionate person and she's very polite girl. Congratulations, Arudra. Okay, come. Bhadra Muruganandam. Bhadra Muruganandam. She can able to handle the responsibilities properly and she is a very polite girl. She interested in dancing. Congratulations, Bhadra. Smile. Yes. Cute smile. Thank you, Bhadra. You can leave. Iniyal Ilambaradi. She's a very respectful person. She treats everyone with courtesy and kindness. Congratulations, Iniyal Ilambarathi. Smile. Okay, thank you. M. Mahanya. She's a highly intelligent and competent girl. Her natural curiosity led her to ask more questions. She being delightful and dedicated person. Congratulations, Mahanya. Pranavi Karthik. She's a humility person and she knows how to understand other situation. Pranavi Karthik is a humility person and she know how to understand other situation and treat them well. Congratulations, Pranavi. Thank you, Pranavi. You can leave. VT Samutra. She's a one of the good-hearted person. She have a good handwriting skill. She's an artist and soft nature. Congratulations, Samutra. Have a good smile. NV Sastika. Amla ma'am. NV Sastika. She's a clever girl. She has good memory power and listening power. She is interested in drawing. Congratulations, Sastika. K. Shivarudra. She's a brave girl. She has a good memory power. Also, she's very smart. She's interested in drawing. Congratulations, Shivarudra. Okay, thank you, Shivarudra. Leave. DS Adira. She's very disciplined and open-minded child. She's a person who can spread love and care to others. Congratulations, DS Adira. Adira, put down your certificate. Super. Smile. Very nice. Boy. Adiran, get the certificate. Say thank you, ma'am. Look the camera. Adiran, what happened to you? He's a responsible person. He's very energetic and clever boy. Easily get attached with everyone. He have a good leadership skill. Congratulations, Adiran. KR Adiran. He's a soft, disciplined and kind-hearted person and he hopes to share the knowledge with others what he have gained. Congratulations, Adiran. Thank you. P. Dhyan Sastik. He loves to listening the story. He's a trustworthy and responsibility person. Congratulations, Dhyan Sastik. Get the certificate. Smile. Dhyan. Hold the certificate properly, Dhyan. Smile. Be smile. Very good. Super, Dhyan Sastik. Dhyan, look here. Ma'am pare. Dhyan, inga pare. Very good. Smile. Very good. M. Mahitra Dev. He has a very good memory power and he have a capacity to remember everything what he's seen. He is an emotional, intelligent boy. Congratulations, Mahitra Dev. ரெண்டு ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபர் இருக்கங்காட்டி எங்கள் குழந்தைங்க கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகிக்கிறாங்க. வி பகுமித்ரன். He's a loving and caring boy. He's very interested in dance. He's trying to improve his knowledge day by day. Congratulations, Bhagumitran. Smile. Very good. Bhagumitran, wait. Stand, smile. Keep your certificate properly. Very good. R. Shainithan. He's a respectful person and also he is a genuine honest person. He's a very interested in dance and listening stories. Congratulations, Shainithan. Aryan Indian Adit. He is a hyperactive person. He was a really joyful guy. Naturally, he have sense of humor and he is a confident boy. Congratulations, Indian Adit. B.S. Shugant. He is a patient boy. He interested in listening stories and playing. Shugant, look here. Look the cameraman. Shugant, inga parunga. Smile. Pose. Smile. Very good. Smile, smile. Okay. Yes, Vivan. He loves coloring and playing. He interested in listening music and rhymes. He will do his work independently. Congratulations, Vivan. Dear parents, please give a big round of applause for the children. Vivan, look here. Super. Smile. Vivan, inga paathu smile panna. Good. V. Magilan. He's a helping-minded boy. He take a responsibility to do his work and showing respect for others. He loves to play with their teachers. Congratulations, Magilan. Now, Hero Junior children are ready to get. Are you ready? A. Aditi. Aditi is an active girl. She's doing her work independently. She has a good helping mind. Diya Sasikumar. She's a gentle and calm girl. She's very interested in listening story. She has a good observing power. Congratulations, Diya. Diya, look the camera. Smile. Super. John Princess. John Princess is a brave girl. She's very interested in dancing and singing. She's easy to get attached with each other. Congratulations, John. M. Magilini. She's a kind girl. She has a good listening power. She's doing her work neatly and independently. And she also very helping-minded girl. Congratulations, Magilini. M.R. Navira. Navira is a clever girl. She has good memory power and listening power. She's very interested in drawing and dancing. Congratulations, Navira. P. Venba. Venba is a very hard-working person. She's very interested in reading. She speaks respectfully to everyone. Congratulations, Venba. Yalmoli. Yalmoli is an excited girl. Her writing is very good. She's doing her work perfectly. Congratulations, Yalmoli. Smile. K. Aditya. Aditya is a good and respectful boy. He has good memory power. He is very interested in singing. Congratulations, Aditya. SP Adrit. He's a friendly person. He's very easy to get attached with each other. He will protect all his belongings. Congratulations, Adrit. SV Ritvia. Ritvia is a calm girl and she's a very clever and cute girl. And she's very loving with each other. And she's easy to get attached with each other. Congratulations, Ritvia. N. Arjun Monik. He's a gentle boy. He has good listening power. He's good in yoga and exercise. Congratulations, Arjun. Arjun Monik. Arjun, look the camera. Smile. Yes. V. Karikalan. He's an active boy. He's doing his work independently. He's very interested in reading and singing. Congratulations, Karikalan. Okay. N. Manarupan. Manarupan. He's a curious student. He likes co-curricular activities. He's very interested in playing and coloring. Congratulations, Manarupan. Maitreyan Muruganandan. He's an excited boy. He's doing his work neatly. He's very interested in drawing and playing. Manarupan, look the cameraman. Maitreyan Muruganandan. He's an excited boy. He's doing his work neatly. He's very interested in drawing and playing. Congratulations, Maitreyan. Raj Nilan R. He's a clever boy. He has a good listening power. He's very interested in coloring. He's very intelligent boy. Congratulations, Raj Nilan. K.S. Saishan Vasudev. He's an active boy. He's helping-minded boy. He's easy to get attached with each other. Congratulations, Sainathan. T. Vijayaharshan. He's a talented boy. He's very hardworking boy. He's very interested in reading and writing. Congratulations, Vijayaharshan. V. Pranav. T. Kritvik. He's a brave boy. He's good memory power. He's helped to his friends for reading and writing. He's very interested interested in dancing. Congratulations, Krithvik. Next, our powerful hero senior children is Alfina. Alfina have been an ideal student. Your desire to learn and grow means a lot to me as a teacher. I am very glad to have you in my class. I am really proud of it. Thank you, my dear Alfina. Congratulations. Dear Danvi, your uniqueness is what makes you special. You are a leader in your own way. She is a talented artist and her drawings are always full of vibrant colors. Her way of speak is always makes me very proud. Congratulations, Tanvi. G. Harshita Sri. Harshita Sri is a very friendly, positive and kind attitude girl. I can always guarantee that my class is pleasant. Your presence helps create a fun and sweet atmosphere that's absolutely valuable. I appreciate it, my dear little one. Congratulations, Harshita Sri. Kribashini Kanagapal. Kribashini Kanagapal is a charming and clever kid. She never forgets to do her works. She is simple and neat. That makes me so happy to see her in my class. Congratulations, Kriba. Is Maidashana Sri. She's a charming girl. Is always a polite and obedient person. It's a clever to me that you are very open to learning and hearing methods that you can use to improve your studies. All the best for your future, dear. K. Maunavi. Maunavi works respectfully in group activity. Their ability to collaborate and communicate as well as their commitment to their assignment is impressive. You done very good job, my dear. Danvi, listen, look, smile. M. Nidarshana. M. Nidarshana is ability to communicate with other student is extremely commendable. I am continuously impressed that you speak in a clear manner. I enjoy reading and listening to everything that you have to say. It's an honor having you as a student. Thank you, sweetie, for being a Casey Nidarshana. She's an excellent kid who always comes prepared for class. She's a smart and hardworking student who is always trying her best to do. I'm very attracted to her hard work. All the best for your future work, dear. Yes, Yalini. Yalini is a very polite kid and well-mannered. Every day she put a smile on my face with her positive vibe. Your hard work makes me astonished, my dear. Congratulations. And Pratik. Pratik is a flexible learner and adapts extremely and quickly. You are very soft and kind nature. It's an honor to have you in my class this year. Congrats for your bright future, dear. DL Rohan Kumar. Rohan Kumar is very thoughtful. Every day in class he concerned for others. He also tried to help others, including myself, whenever he can. I hope one day your dream will come true, dear. Congratulations, Rohan Kumar. M. Sai Karthik. M. Sai Karthik is a hard worker. No matter what the task, he ready to accept the challenge and do the best he can. And I really hope that his hard work makes him more and more reach his goal. Well done, dear. PK Vidun Sai. He is a very well-mannered. I am impressed by his politeness and a fantastic listener. He is very kind and active in my class. I am very glad to be your teacher. Congratulations, Vian. I am so proud to appreciate your hard work, Vian Hariharan. You are very kind and caring to your friends. He is always volunteers to help others. I congrats to your graduation and best wishes for your next adventure. I am really proud of you, Vian. இவ்வளோ ஆக்டிவாக போல்டாக பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு எங்கள் டீச்சர்ஸோட ஹார்ட் ஒர்க்கும் டெடிகேஷன்ஸும் தான் காரணம். ஸோ எங்களோட டீச்சர்ஸ் சப்போர்ட், அந்த டீச்சர்ஸ்க்கு ஒரு அப்ரிஷியேஷன். கிவ் அ பிக் ரவுண்ட் ஆஃப் அப்ளாஸ் ஃபார் அவர் ஹீரோ கிட்ஸ் டீச்சர்ஸ். Dear teachers, please come on the stage. Manjula Devi of Hero Senior. Dear teacher, please spend 1 minute for you. You are very sincere in your work. You create a safe and supportive space where students feel comfortable. You have an effective communication skill. Congratulations, Manjula Devi. Thank you so much for your hard work. Thank you so much, Manjula Devi ma'am. Keep rocking. Anandi ma'am from Hero Junior. You are very patient and understanding person. You provide guidance and encouragement to help children to succeed. You are very hardworking person. Thank you so much, ma'am. Keep support your children. Thank you so much. Satya ma'am from Hero Nursery. You are very perfect while doing your work. You are very honest person. You can understand and connect with your children on an emotional level. Create a strong teacher-students relationship. Thank you so much, Satya ma'am. Keep rocking. Amala ma'am from Hero Playgroup. You are very patient with the children. You are very interested and dedicated in the classroom. You can able to settle the children easily. You have a good communication and creative skill. Congratulations, Amala ma'am. Thank you so much for your dedication. படிப்பு அப்படிங்கிறது ஒன்று இருந்தாலும் குழந்தைங்கள ரொம்ப சேஃபாக டீச்சர்ஸ் கிட்ட ஃபஸ்ட்டு போனோடனே குழந்தைங்க அடாப்ட் ஆக மாட்டாங்க. ஆயம்மா, அம்மாய், அப்ச்சி, தாத்தா, பாட்டி எப்படி இருக்கீங்களோ அதே மாதிரி எங்கள் கேர்டேக்கரும் இருக்காங்க. எங்கள் கேர்டேக்கர் கிட்ட மட்டும்தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு குழந்தைங்க செட்டில் ஆவாங்க ஸ்கூல் வந்தோடனையும். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் வி ஆர் த செகண்ட், தே ஆர் த ப்ரைமரி. ஸோ தன்னோட குழந்தைய பார்க்குற மாதிரியே எங்கள் குழந்தைங்கள ரொம்ப கேரிங்காக ரொம்ப பாசமாக வளர்த்திட்ருக்கிற ஹீரோ கிட்ஸ் ஆயம்மாக்கெலாம் வெல்கம் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Savitri Ayamma, please give a big round of applause for the Ayamma. ரொம்ப நன்றிங்க ஆயம்மா உங்களுடைய ஹார்ட் ஒர்க்குக்கு. ரொம்ப நீட்டாக க்ளீனாக குழந்தைங்கள வச்சுட்டு இருக்கிற கமலா ஐயாமாக்கு கிவ் அ பிக் ரவுண்ட் ஆஃப் அப்ளாஸ். ப்ளீஸ் கமலா ஐயம்மா ஸ்டேஜுக்கு வாங்க. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் கமலா ஐயம்மா, ரொம்ப நன்றிங்க. எங்கள் குழந்தைங்களையும் எங்களையும் பத்திரமா சேஃபாக வண்டியில் கூட்டிகிட்டு போகிற டிரைவர் வேணுகோபால், ப்ளீஸ் கம் ஆன் த ஸ்டேஜ். ஃபீல்ட் ட்ரிப்பை எவ்வளோ வாட்டி சொன்னாலும் குழந்தைங்கள எங்கேயும் விடாமல் ஓடி பிடிச்சி கூட்டிகிட்டு வந்து குழந்தைங்கள வழி நடத்துகிற டிரைவர் வேணுகோபாலுக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி.